You can't pretend that your problems don't exist just by keeping busy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about making sure that we're addressing our problems head on. You can't avoid your problem. You can't keep yourself busy just to avoid facing your problems. Whatever problems that you may be currently dealing with, whether it's financially, emotionally and physically, you can't become a better version of yourself. You can't evolve and grow if you're constantly burying yourself in work, if you're constantly finding distractions to run away from your problems. The only thing that's going to happen is your problem will get bigger than where it was before. Ignoring your problems will create even more irrational problems in your head. You can be as busy as you want to be. You can try and distract yourself as much as you want to. But when you finally get to bed at night, the problem will creep back in your head. Eventually, it will catch up with you. You'll be there and having sleepless nights. You're wondering why you're lashing out at people. You're wondering why, you're not being yourself. You don't feel yourself. It's because you're hiding from your problems. For example, if you're currently in a financial situation and you just think, I'm not going to open my bank account. I'm not going to open the letters. I'm just going to ignore that bill that's sitting on my table. The more you ignore that bill, the more interest is added, the more you're putting yourself in an even worse position. So it's better to actually realize how big of a problem you have and start implementing solutions on how you're going to solve that problem. What are you going to do so that you're not scared of that brown envelope? So you're not scared, you have a good financial relationship if you're currently in debt. So you have to make sure that you're facing your problems head on. It may even be in relationships where you're not particularly happy with the way things are going, so you just bottle up how you're feeling emotionally. Eventually you're going to lash out at your partner and things are going to be ugly when you explode. So it's better to address every single situation, every single solution. It will catch up with you, and it will catch up with you when you're not ready. Address all your problems. Take the time to accept all your problems and think strategically how you're going to implement them, how you're going to solve those problems. There's always a solution to every problem, and make sure that you're not hiding, you're not running away. Do not dig yourself even deeper by running away from your problem. It's very expensive to keep hiding away from your problems. So rip the band-aid. If you have to tell that person that you're not happy in your relationship, if you have to tell the person that you want to leave your relationship, if you're whatever your problem is, just rip the band-aid. If it's time to cut to 5 people within your business, go ahead if you know that it's going to bring growth. If it's time to cut some relationships because of sunken costs, go ahead and do it. Do not run from your problem. You create an even bigger monster. So if you're currently running from your problem, if you're currently hiding from distracting yourself and acting busy so you don't have to think about the situation at hand, this is your chance to rip the band-aid off. This is your chance to go after that problem. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.